up, guys? How's it going? It's your boy Sneaky Trey here, or Grammar Jockey, or Randall. I don't know what y'all call me nowadays, you feel me? Call me what you want, but make sure it's properly enunciated. Say the name correct. But I'm on my way to do these military workouts for the PJs. It's not over, it'll never be over. This shit's about to become a lifestyle. I've been working out, but I've really been training my swimming, because I did that one, I only did one lap. I've been training off camera, and the most I did so far has been 5 laps. And that's from swimming before I did my workouts. What I plan on doing, we're gonna go ahead and do our stretches, of course, and then hop straight into the pool. I'm most likely not gonna record the pool because, you know, I just gotta swim back and forth for 10 laps. I'll probably get like a little short clip on some. But other than that, like, depending on how I feel after I get out the pool, which is usually not too good, but you know, I've been doing it, so let's see how I do. Hopefully get another workout video in. I haven't been posting them, and I haven't been recording them because I just got this job. Where does Trey work? At like all places. You know, he's going to the military. Where would he work at? I don't know. Guess in the motherfucking comment section. It's like, nah. I work at this place called Prestige Business Solutions. I'm not gonna drop names in that building, but it seemed like everybody messed with me so far. I'm not sure how far I'm gonna go in this job. It seems cool. It's a sales job, so I gotta speak. And like I said in the very first video, I'm working on my gift of gab, man. I need to speak more. I look at the camera. I want to talk to you in your soul. But yeah, there's been a lot going on in my life since the last video. It's not negative at all. Just, you know, life goes on and things happen in life, whether positive or negative. And I guess so far it's just been neutral. I've just been passing the time until I go into the military. Everything just seems like a filler episode. You know, we watch anime over here. Shout out to Bleach. Shout out to, I want to say Mabori Kaigon so bad. If you know what Mabori Kaigon is, you're a goat. That's not an anime either. What's that one junk? Yu Yu Hakusho! Yeah, that's my junk right there. Come on over here, man. My car be burning up. My car is always hot, man. It got my face looking all oily. I'm excited for this workout. The reason why I'm able to record today is because I was supposed to be at work today, but I overslept. And that's another reason why I don't know what this job got going on with me, you feel me? But I do take everything that I get myself involved with serious. So when I do the job, I'm pretty good at it, even though I just started it, but I'm learning it pretty okay. The managers and the owner likes me. So we gonna see how long they keep me or how long I stay, you know, because I'm my own person. I have free will. You're not gonna talk to me crazy, nor fire me like an idiot. But yeah, let's get activated. My kush better, drink better, ooh. All right, we're gonna start off these stretches and get activated. Open these eyes up, man. We're in real life. So you know how we get it started, man. Gonna do that left under right. Switch, yes sir. Oh yeah, man. I gotta stop walking out the camera. Let's stay still. Left overhead. Ooh. Boy, it's hot. Yes, sir. Switch. Yes, sir. Good shit. It'll be right here on the inside where my shit's sore from them push-ups, man. Let's do 45-second rotations, and we're gonna start in reverse. Ready? Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, I think this is gonna be the last time I take one of these videos. I'm thinking about how I've been working out doing this, and the hardest thing is usually the swimming and running. I can't record me running, I can't record me swimming, but I can record me doing push-ups, sit-ups, and pull-ups. But those are regular workouts. So 5, that's 45. Let's go another 10 seconds. 1. There, all right, switch forward. So yeah, this might be the last video. I'm gonna just stick to swimming and running because the other two, sit-ups and push-ups, though I haven't completed them in front of you guys, I've done it already and they're very easy. The only thing that probably will be difficult is crab walks, but you know, as I swim and run, that'll become easy as well. So it was fun. Let's keep it going, man. 45. Put them feet together, man. And let's go ahead and down. 1. 10, yes sir. Spread them. Let's go to the left. Yes, sir. 1. 10, yes, sir. Down the middle. Let's get it. 10, yes, sir. Heel to butt. All right. Switch. Ready? Let go. 10. Okay, both at the same time. Looking at. All right. It's time to go hit that pool. Camera lens. Out of there. These my little cousin shorts. Woo. Let's go ahead and start. We accomplished 4 laps today, and I learned how to open my eyes underwater. Just a little piece. Shout out to my young lifeguard boy right there. He the one that showed me how. I'm gonna go ahead and do this 1.5 miles now. Let's get to it. 3 laps in 10 minutes and 20 seconds with 2 minutes and 30 seconds left to spare. 4 laps in that pool and 8 gallons of water. Let's get back to those skate videos, right? I haven't made one since I made one. All right, you guys, let's stay consistent and keep growing. Like, share, subscribe. Peace.